Are you looking for the best steam cleaners for carpets? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best steam cleaners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. McCulloch MC1385 Deluxe Car Steam Cleaner. The McCulloch MC1385 is a multi-purpose steam cleaner excellent for domestic mopping and cleaning. It extensively cleans a range of surfaces with just simple water. Its mop attachment for hard floors, coupled with other accessories, allows it to perform various tasks. It's great on carpet, but we have tested it on everything, including cars, barbecue grills, and bathtubs. It takes around 12 minutes to heat the water to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. In addition, it provides a pressure of up to 58 psi. The high temperature and pressure make it an excellent product for me as it ensures pests like bedbugs and dirt mites do not survive. The integrated handle makes the product very portable, meaning that it is easy to navigate through every area of the house using the product. It has a large capacity tank of 64 ounces, which means you will only need fewer refills when using it. It has 23 versatile accessories and attachments that make it a multi-purpose product. You can clean all your glass surfaces and windows with this steam cleaner, courtesy of the squeegee attachment. It is also a perfect tool for cleaning furniture engines, car wheels, and grills. It has a versatile performance on tricky things to clean, such as motorcycles, boats, lawn equipment, grout, and other appliances. At number 2. Dupray Neat Multipurpose Steam Cleaner. The Dupray Neat is one of the easiest and efficient steam cleaners for chemical-free and all-natural cleaning. In fact, this is one of the most popular steam cleaners available, and has been for a few years. It consistently ranks as our runner-up in nearly all steam cleaning top lists. This device has a weight of 9 pounds, which is not that bulky, and is recommended for hard floors. It has a large capacity tank of 54 ounces, or 1,600 milliliters, hence you do not have to refill the tank when using it constantly. It is a 17-piece kit with versatile attachments including lance, microfiber pads, extension tubes, rectangular floor tool, window tool, triangular tool, brass brush, nylon brushes, and many more accessories that work together to give your home a sparkling look. It has an extra-long power cord with an integrated cord wrap for extra reach. Its retractable handle makes the product very practical for use. The long steam hose of 6 feet 6 inches, the power cord of 16 foot, and the 3 extension tube increase maneuverability when using this steam cleaner. The high steam pressure of up to 50 psi tackles every stubborn stain the surfaces. It has smooth rolling wheels that enhance smooth movement when cleaning around the house. It produces powerful steam of up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit that instantly cleans any surface with just regular tap water. At number 3. Dupray One Steam Cleaner for Carpets and More. The Dupray One is a small commercial steam cleaner and great for both residential and commercial environments. It is one of the easiest and efficient solutions that is all natural. It gives your home a sparkling look by using ordinary tap water. The steam is released on demand, and the flow is adjusted depending on the area being cleaned. It is equipped with an automatic shutoff, child-proof safety lock, a steam-ready indicator, a low-water indicator, and many more. It comes with 16 heavy-duty accessories including a triangular tool, connector, rectangular floor tool, window tool, microfiber bonnet, nylon brushes, brass brush, plunger tool, funnel, and many other attachments. It is a convenient and lightweight tool that is easy to use by everyone. The high-capacity water tank of 39 ounces reduces the number of refills you will need when cleaning. It has a wide range of performance and usability, including all types of floors, kitchens, mirrors, cars, grout lines, rugs, furniture, carpets, toilets, and mattresses. It produces highly powerful steam of up to 303 degrees Fahrenheit for a great cleaning experience. It has a 5-meter-long electric cord wrapped up with an integrated cord when the machine is not used. At number 4. McCulloch MC1375 Canister Steam Cleaner. This multi-purpose steam cleaner heats normal tap water to over 200 degrees Fahrenheit to produce steam for cleaning. It has a large capacity water tank of 48 ounces that requires fewer refills during cleaning. The extra-long 18-foot power cord is a great feature that ensures reach to the furthest areas during cleaning. The machine has 10 minutes of heat-up time and 90 minutes of continuous steam, guaranteeing a non-stop cleaning experience. The on-demand variable steam control feature ensures precise steam flow. It has 20 versatile accessories, including a canister steam cleaner, one triangle brush, large mop head, extension wands, brass utility brush, bristle brush attachment, microfiber, scrubbing mop pad, a jet and angled nozzle, round scrub pads, and many other accessories that work together to give your house a perfect clean. Scrub pads allow easy cleaning of large surface areas due to the added scrubbing power. You can also use it to clean grout and tile, most floor types, including tile, wood and laminate, and fixtures and appliances. At number 5. McCulloch MC1275 Carpet Steam Cleaner. The heavy-duty McCulloch MC1275 makes cleaning easy with its large capacity tank of 48 ounces. It produces continuous steam of 45 minutes and requires few refills because of the large tank. It cleans almost all types of floor surfaces, including laminate, wood, and tiles. It has a steam lock that provides an uninterrupted steam supply once pushed forward, and you will not have to press it constantly. The attachable utility brush handles all the toughest grime and grease on the grill, ovens, patios, and many other surfaces. The scrub pads provide an added scrubbing power for cleaning larger surfaces. The floor mop attachment is a perfect device for cleaning all types of floor surfaces such as wood, tiles, and laminate. The steam lock switch provides a continuous steam supply without having to switch the button constantly. It has a powerful jet nozzle that focuses the steam on the dirt, grease, and grime to remove it from surfaces. It has a large water tank with 48 ounces, reducing the number of refills needed during cleaning. It comes with 18 versatile attachments that work together to provide a perfect clean. They include a steam cleaner, 2 extension wands, 2 microfiber pads, a carrying handle, a scrub pad, and many more. At number 6. Polti Vaporetto Smart Steam Cleaner for Carpet. The Vaporetto is an ideal device for your cleaning activities due to its unlimited operating time. The cylindrical steam cleaner allows deep cleaning of different surfaces using only steam and not chemicals. You can use it for cleaning different areas of the home thanks to its 10 versatile accessories, including floors, mirrors, and carpets. The unlimited operating time coupled with the large tank capacity of 67.6 ounces ensures a non-stop cleaning. The machine has a large water tank capacity that does not require many refills, hence fast and continuous cleaning. Its steam regulation knob allows an adjustable steam pressure that will enable you to give the correct pressure needed for each surface. It comes with 10 versatile accessories, including a vapor force floor brush, a small round brush, a small brush with window fitting, a large round brush, a steam concentrator nozzle, microfiber cloths, grouting accessory, and extension tubes. The steam cleaner has a boiler cap on the lower side that allows easy cleaning of the boiler. The Vapor Force floor brush has a wide surface that guarantees deep and quick cleaning of all floor surfaces. It has a unique shape and flexible joint that allows reaching corners and other difficult to reach areas.